Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming that you run Minecraft Bedrock on Windows 10/11 or Xbox, because platform differences matter. Once done, make sure experimental gameplay is enabled if your build requires it. This often unlocks advanced options. Next, open the world and pause to access settings, right arrow game. You do this now to expose the toggles that will let you access developer-like features. These prep steps avoid surprises later and ensure the debug tools are actually present when you try to open them. Once cheats are enabled, open the chat or command console, press T on PC, or use the controller command input on console. Then, enter the debug command. Type /debug start to begin collecting debug data, or use any platform-specific debug shortcut your build supports. Make sure to observe on-screen confirmation. This tells you the menu or logging has initiated. While this runs, you can replicate the issue or navigate where you need performance data. This step triggers the debug system so you can inspect and to finish, stop the session with /debug stop and export the generated logs from the game's output folder. This gives you the data to inspect. If the commands produce no response, restart the game and recheck that experimental gameplay and cheats remain enabled. Some updates reset settings. Also confirm you're on a supported Bedrock build. If problems persist, include the timestamp, world name, and precise reproduction steps when you share logs with support. This speeds diagnosis and reduces back and forth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.